I've got my striped red wire broke off from my ignition switch harness, so I have to get the pin out. And I finally figured out how to do it. I took a very small screwdriver, small as I could find, and I put it in right in this opening right here. So I've done a sample on this yellow wire. What that does when you put the screwdriver in is it presses down that tab right there. When you put that back in, you can see I've pried that tab back up a little bit so it'll lock in. That's the one there that on the left where the wire broke off inside of there, so I've got to get that out. I've got the screwdriver pressed in there now. From the same side, from the top, I'll try to push out the connector. Okay, there it is. Now I'll put this heat shrink up there and heat that. The other end is ready to connect to the wire on the mower.